you guys going? Wait a minute.
Well, we gotta go take,
I gotta take Lito to
a birth. Yeah.
Don't forget your purse and your keys.
Oh, yeah, I need those keys.
Oh, yeah, and the BlackBerry and the this. So maybe take care. It's been great.
All right, so we'll. Okay. Wait, could you turn around for a second?
Huh?
Jeanette?
What?
If you could please turn around, that'd be great.
Do I have something on my back?
Oh, no, it's just dog
Wait.
hair. That's fine.
Okay, wait, the other way, if you just turn around the other way.
Do I have something on my back?
Get over here, let me see this for a second.
What?
Turn this way for
I
a
do
minute.
have a scar. My tattoo.
It's disgusting. I don't want to see that scar. Turn this way. Okay.
This way. What? Should I bring a bigger bag next time?
So you blatantly trying to steal Gilbert again?
You forgot your vault.
Jeanette? Oh, no, I'm like, could that be any bigger?
Maybe Lauren would like some of the things in the vault for exchange for, coming over to visit.
Gills?
Gills kills.
Okay,
He's
could
out
he be
on
any
the deck.
bigger?
Gilbert's out on the deck.
Are you going with Aunt Janet?
Oh,
Are you in her? Are you in her bag?
You've been busy.
Small one.
Jesus.
No, that was all from yesterday.
Are you in Aunt Janet's bag? So
So
stupid. He's totally just hanging out.
He belongs in that bag.
He belongs with. I am his mother.
My dog.
My
I
dog.
should probably put my shoes on.
By the way.